Hey everybody, this is Forrest with ForrestBuysHouses.com, and we have had a busy day today. As you can see, we got the cabinets out of the living room and went ahead and got them all installed. And the granite guy's already been by to order the granite. One thing that you will see, right, we have one missing right here. So I installed a 30-inch cabinet earlier, and I took it down because it came over this 36-inch cabinet too much. So I just ordered a 27-inch cabinet that'll fit that area much better. And installing that one will take 20 minutes. It's really not that big of a deal. So the cabinets look good. You can't beat, for the money, you can't beat Lowe's cabinets. And they deliver them when you have a account. They deliver them for 30 bucks. You can't even go pick it up and rent a truck for that, or pull your trailer. So tomorrow the tile goes down, and things are looking good. So quick little update, on the project. Friday afternoon, we've been doing this all day, and this is the one thing that I like to do. I do this in the lights and some piddly little things and some trim, but I just really like doing the cabinet, so I do them myself with my jobs. It's fun for me, so why not? And I have all the tools. So anyway, listen, y'all have a great weekend, and we will talk soon. All right, thanks, bye.